Hi, my name is Jenna, and I work in public relations for Vera Bradley. I'm going to show you how to pack for your whole family this upcoming spring break. This year, for our annual spring break trip, my husband and I will be taking our daughter with us down to Siesta Key, Florida. My role for our vacations is to be the planner and the packer, never the driver. I am not the best driver. I spend my time organizing, making packing lists, and of course, packing up the car the night before. My daughter is 2, her name is Riley, and she gets her own bag, which she thinks is pretty cool. I am never able to pack her with my stuff because I am an overpacker. This is the Lighten Up foldable rolling duffel. I really like it because all of her shoes get to go underneath, so they are not touching any of her clothes. The handle is the perfect height for her, and she is able to roll this by herself. I mentioned earlier that I'm a little bit of an overpacker, so I have 2 tips for you. If you don't want to spend all your time ironing when you get to your destination and you want to be able to fit a lot in your bag, go ahead and roll all your clothes, tuck them nicely inside. I love these buckles because it holds everything into a great place. And my spinner is ready to roll, and this is why the iconic large spinner is my go-to bag for every trip that I take. I started using the hanging organizer when I was about 16, and since then my needs have definitely changed. The new iconic grand hanging organizer is a lifesaver for me. Instead of taking 2 hanging organizers on our trip, I can now just take this one. It fits all full-size shampoo bottles, and the best part about it is my husband and I can pack together in this, saving space in our bags. Riley gets her own rolling luggage and her own cosmetic. I always like to pack this for her so I don't forget all of her necessities as well. I always bring her little loofah, of course baby lotion for those days on the beach. The best part about the iconic large cosmetic is that it's also got wipeable lining. Clearly, I like big bags and I cannot lie. This is the new Lighten Up large family tote. This baby fits 12 beach towels, but for me, I usually like to do about 5 or 6 towels, so we've got extras for the day. I've got all my sunscreen, and of course I have room for Riley's toys. Since this bag is so large, one way I keep it organized is using our clear beach cosmetic. This cosmetic's large enough to fit all of our family's sunscreen, and when you get back from the beach and it's filled with sand, it's perfect because it's completely wipeable. I love the Lighten Up Grand backpack because it's the perfect size to fit all of Riley's essentials that we need in the car, like her favorite lovey and blanket, and of course those activities I need to keep her busy while she's in her car seat. I'm able to keep things for myself in here, and so when we stop for lunches, and of course when we get to our destination, I don't need this large of a bag, throw your cute vacation crossbody in with your bag, and then when you get there, you have exactly what you need. Siesta Key is a bit of a haul from our house, so it's always really important that I have everything I need for the car. The Market Tote is great to hold all those family snacks and keep everybody happy the whole car ride. My favorite piece to take for myself is the fleece travel blanket. It starts out as a nice cozy pillow if you just want to lean up against it, or if you start getting chilly, you can unfold it into an entire fleece blanket. Maybe it's a little extra, but I can't sleep without a fan. This goes with me everywhere I go. What'd you say? Beach, because we live near cornfields. How about the Gulf of Mexico? Wing it. And those are all my top packing tips for spring break.